Pressure reading is stable at 400 psi.
Acknowledged. Logging the data now.
Confirming pressure levels on platform 6.
Reading looks stable. Check the feed temperature.
Platform 4, pressure steady at 200 psi.
Roger that. Maintaining temperature flux.
Watch the pressure on tank 3.
It's steady. Keep the flow consistent.
The input pressure is dropping slightly.
Yes, I see that.
The output looks clear, but let's monitor the flow rate for the next cycle. Check the inlet pressure on unit 3.
Reading steady. Logging the data.
Check the thermal readings on sector gamma.
Stable. Injecting phase 2 solvent now.
The steam levels are peaking right now. Okay, initiating the vacuum cycle to clear the remaining vapor.
The activated media is performing well. Check the differential pressure on the gauge.
Reading stable. Increasing the stir speed by 5 Hz.
The mass spec results confirm the 99% purity we expected.
Good. Let's cross-reference that with the consistency data now.
Keep an eye on the alignment over here, please.
Right, I see it. It's corrected now.
Our state-of-the-art scanners utilize laser technology to detect even microsec leaks, ensuring every
The system successfully processed the priority shipment from level 4.
Acknowledged. The automated transfer is commencing now.
That's the pallet for the priority shipment right there.
Confirmed. The AGV is already en route for pickup.
Okay, easy now. Watch the left side. Clear on the left, keep rolling.
Divert Vessel 4 to the new docking node. Verify the telemetry data upon arrival.
Route 4B is experiencing a brief hold near the European hub.
Reroute via the eastern bypass immediately.
Okay, easy now. Watch the left side. Clear on the left, keep rolling.
Watch the pallet on the left.
Got it. Securing the straps now.
All right, team, let's keep the pace up. We've got 2 more trucks to load.
How does that look? Is the spacing right now?
Yes, that's perfect. The bubble is centered. We are good to go.
Check the spacing here. We need exactly 12 inches.
Got it. Looks good now.
This is the future of manufacturing. A seamless journey from the assembly line to the customer.
Thank you very much. Here is your receipt and your purchase.